Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add your headphones Beats Solo 4 to the application. You have to start by open Settings, then go to Connected Devices, now click Pair New Device. After that press and hold Power button for at least 3 seconds. This LED light is flashing, so it means that it's entering to pairing mode. Now we should see it on the list. Now click on it. Pair. Now hide the settings and open the application. Click Get Started. Skip. Don't send. Next. Hello. Got it. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!